Every roofer wants to do well, and you have to have the right people and the right place to accomplish that, and you have to have the right products to be able to be successful.
A new roofing contractor needs to be aware that we will sell you a product that'll work. We have solutions where you can call me anytime, or my employees anytime, and we'll answer the phone. We will research a solution. If we don't know the answer, we'll give you an answer in a prompt amount of time.
What immediately drew me to Everest, or has kept me buying from them, is the knowledge of their people. They're owned by a chemist, which is very unique, not a business person.
Whenever I develop a product, I really focus on making sure that it's the best performing product that I compare it to the competition out there. And my vision is to never make an inferior product, to always make a product that's at least as good as, and if I can even improve on it, then I will. That's my passion.
We don't compromise on the quality of the product for a cheaper price. We want to make sure that our quality stays very high, because ultimately that's who we are in the marketplace, is what is there in 10 years, not just what's there today. And so we want to make sure that the products that we're putting out are the best formulas with the best things in them.
Working with Everest, I really do feel like my success is their success.
I use this coating that John manufactures because it is by far the best out there on the market today. It's easy to apply. He's got a coating that dries quick, late in the day, resists moisture, but most importantly, after it cures properly in about 30 days, it's pretty bulletproof. That's why I use it.